Hello, my name is RJ. I'm the primary technician for the Smart Grid for Schools program. I build and repair the hands-on models for the grid construction set. The set is packed in one large tote and one large box. Both can be shipped free of charge to teachers in the state of Illinois. The box contains 4 generators and a steam engine. The tote contains enough models for students to build 4 different grid lines. There is free curriculum available at 3 grade bands, grades K through 4, 4 through 8, and 8 through 12. In each case, the curriculum is arranged by order of discovery. Each grid line has its own power plant: nuclear, coal, natural gas, or renewable. Students work to connect customers to power plants wire by wire. Wires are easily connected to either springs or alligator clips. Students learn how to use tools to cut and strip wire. They also gain a clear understanding of how circuits work. For older students, the grid construction set includes 3-phase wiring. 3 phases are required to run commercial buildings such as factories or skyscrapers. By following the curriculum, students receive hands-on experience with the electrical grid development over time. Switches can be added to control any part of the line. Switches can also be used to redirect power, as is done in the real grid. The Smart Grid uses sensors to measure power throughout the system. Students make their grid smart by connecting the Smart Grid monitor to different springs throughout the grid. The monitor indicates where power is available, making troubleshooting much easier. The grid construction set can be reserved and shipped to Illinois schools free of charge. For curriculum downloads, training opportunities, or to reserve a set, visit smartgridforschools.org. A virtual version of the grid construction set is also available on the website.